When we ask for guidance, we ask God to lead us on the right road. Let's see how that request looks in Arabic. Welcome back, dear learner. I'm glad you're here. In Surah Al Fatiha, verses 5, 6, and 7 form a heartfelt prayer. The first line says, "Guide us to the straight path." It means we ask God for a clear way in our lives. The second line continues, "The path of those whom you have blessed." Here we praise those whom the Almighty has guided. Finally, the third line reads, "Not the path of those who have earned your anger or gone astray." It reminds us of the consequences when we stray. Together, these verses are a gentle request for direction and a reminder of responsibility. Let's see how this idea appears elsewhere. In Surah Al-An'am, verse 101, we hear, "Our guidance must be the straight one." In Muzammil, verse 3, the prayer says, "Guide us in the right direction." The same theme appears in Surah Al-Naba, verse 10, where we ask for clear counsel. These examples show the rhythm of seeking guidance in the Quran. Now repeat these verses after me. Repeat each line twice. Let's begin. 1. Guide us to the straight path. 2. The path of those whom you have blessed. 3. Not the path of those who have earned your anger or gone astray. We learned that verses 5 to 7 ask for guidance, celebrate the blessed, and warn against straying. In our next lesson, we'll bring the whole surah into our memory. Keep practicing, and see you soon.